Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So here we are going to see the UGC new public notice regarding the caste discrimination in the higher education institutions. So before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates as immediate notifications to your devices. And now, while coming to the main content of this video, here the University Grants Commissions released the public notice on the 14th September 2020 regarding the prevention of caste-based discrimination in higher education. So, dear Madam and Sir, as you are aware, the UGC is continuously monitoring the prevention of caste-based discrimination in higher educational institutions. Further, the UGC has issued letters dated on these dates requesting you to take following action. The officials or faculty members should desist from any act of discrimination against SC or ST students on grounds of their social origin. The university or institute or college may develop a page on their website for lodging such complaints of caste discrimination by SC/ST students and also place a complaint register in the registrar or principal office for the purpose. If any such incident comes to the notice of the authorities, action should be taken against the erring official or faculty members promptly. And the university and the colleges should ensure that no official or the faculty members indulge in any kind of discrimination against any community or categories of the students. The university may constitute a committee to look into the discrimination complaints received from the SC, ST, OBC students or teachers and non-teaching staff. So you are also requested to advise the officials or faculty members of your university or institute to be more sensitive while dealing with incidents of caste discrimination and provide the information as per the prescribed format on the university activity monitoring at this link latest by 25/9/2020. So the above instructions should also be circulated to all the constituent and affiliated colleges of your university and follow up action please. So it is a notice regarding that the University Grants Commission is strictly warning, or else it is giving one kind of instruction to all the universities or institutions or the faculty members. So please don't do such type of caste discriminations in the higher educations among the students. So for lodging the complaints, if any such type of cases are there, so for lodging the complaints, here the action report is given like this. So whether the university or institution has constituted any committee to look into the complaints of discrimination received from the SC, ST, OBC students, teachers or non-teaching staff, give details thereafter. Okay, so these are all the items and what are the action taken. So all these things has to be mentioned by the university or the institution. Okay, guys. So please share this video to your colleagues because such type of caste discriminations should not be done in the higher education institutions. Okay. So to get the more updates, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please follow that one, guys. Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants. And if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans.